So last Friday, Drake was on the show. How much do you love Drake? I can't. His album comes out today, and Drake has one of those voices where he can just make anything sound sexy. So it gave me an idea for a new segment, and I'm calling it Drake Has One of Those Voices Where He Can Make Anything Sound Sexy. Here's an example.
Drowsiness, excessive sweating, loss of appetite, weight loss, stomach cramps, sexual problems, hives, giant hives, breast tenderness, heart throbbing or pounding, and dry mouth. Sweetheart, those are the side effects of Zoloft.
Oh, I want some Zoloft right now. Badly. Here's another example.
Open the front cover and pull out the toner cartridge assembly. Unpack the new toner cartridge and just ever so gently rock that cartridge from side to side 5 or 6 times. You don't need to do it too much. All I want you to do is just distribute the toner evenly. And at that point, you should be ready to just insert that new cartridge until it just clicks. Close that front cover, and lady, you just changed the toner cartridge. Proud of you.
Thanks, Drake. I will do that. Wonderful. All right. Tune in tomorrow for John Legend Reads Mattress Warning Labels. We'll be right back.